How to block someone on Discord. Need a little peace and quiet from someone on Discord? No worries, I have got you. Today I will show you how to block someone on Discord quickly and privately. Let's jump in. First, open the Discord app or go to discord.com on your browser and log in. Now, find the person you want to block. You can find them in your friend list, in a server, or even in your DMs. Once you see their username, right click on it. From the menu, select block. That's it, they are now blocked. When you block someone, they can't DM you. Their messages in share servers are hidden, and they don't get notified that they have been blocked. Bonus tip: if you have chatted before, your old DMs will still be there, but you won't receive new messages from them. Want to go a step further? You can also remove friend before or after blocking. And that's how to block someone on Discord. Fast, private, and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.